Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Start slowly. Good form, perfect. Slowly come up. Okay, what we're working now is the triceps.
You come all the way?
Yes, all the way. Fully contract, hold it, slowly come up. Perfect. We're going to be doing what's called a pre-exhaust. As soon as we finish here with the single joint exercise, we're going to go right into a multiple joint exercise, which is the seated dip. Again, this exercise is carried to momentary muscular failure. Keep it slow. I got you timed. We're working between 60 and 90 seconds. Good. Keep it going. Contract. Perfect. Coming up on a minute. Good form. Slowly. That's it. Keep breathing. There you go. Good. Go per minute, almost 70 seconds. Is that it? You got another one?
Yeah.
All right, let's go into the next movement. You'll need the belt. Make sure it's all the way back, just like the way you had it. Let me make sure. Hold on. Okay, you ready? All right, straight down, real slow. There you go. Perfect. Go for about 6 to 10 reps. This will utilize your chest to really push your triceps to a deep fatigue. Keep breathing. Slow. It's about 180 pounds of resistance. Good. Slow, slow. Come on, come on, come on. You got it. You got one or two more?
Maybe.
All right, come on. There you go. Good job. Let's go again. Slow on this one. Come on, slow. Perfect. Slowly on the negative. Is that it? All right, come on, come on. This is it. Slowly come up. Fight it, fight it, fight it. All right, good job.